The pronoun we in the Tswana language. The equivalent of the pronoun we in the Tswana language is re. R, e, re. This pronoun re is used in the same way as we have been using the pronoun ke, which is I. So we are going to repeat the same of the phrases that we already dealt with in the singular. Now we will just put the plural side. Let us look at these examples. Re, a, bu, a. We are talking. Re santse re tlhalosa. We are still explaining. Re batla go utlwa. We want to hear. Re tshwanetse go bala. We have to read. Re ka kwala. We can write. Re rata go ithuta. We like to learn. Re a go gopola. We remember you in the singular. Re a le itse. We know you. You in the plural. Re arabile. We answered.